Dave, could we start off today? We're here at the 2025 GAWDA SMC. What are some products that GAWDA members might be purchasing from Forney this year?
Well, as we talked about in one of our earlier discussions, Forney's all about augmenting your existing welding machine line, augmenting it from the standpoint of meeting the needs of your local market, from the standpoint of the type of product that they may want, the price points they want, and the quality and longevity that they're looking for in their equipment.
Okay. We also had the opportunity to speak earlier this year about some really exciting new product that Forney was introducing to the market. So can you tell us about those products? Have they launched yet? And what are some of the advantages that a distributor or their customers might get out of using those products?
Absolutely, yes. So we did launch two products at the beginning of the year, those products being our 190 AC/DC MP, which has just been an outstanding introduction, and our 250 MP, which is a DC TIG machine coupled with the rest of the processes. Both of those products are readily available and are doing very well with our welding distribution customers. As far as other products that we talked about, our pipeline is strong and full. With some of the challenges of sourcing, we're playing that game right now, but we've got ample inventory when it comes to all of our welding machines and products to support the independent welding distributor.
Absolutely. So we're at the SMC. There's 750 plus members here. What would be a home run for you? What are you looking to get out of this show and opportunities that distributors have to partner with Forney?
Great question. And we're all about expanding our distribution footprint nationwide. We're looking for distributor partners, independent distributor partners, literally across the country. And for those distributors, what we bring to the table, again, is an approach to our product portfolio that's not about take it all on. It's about what fits for you, your market, and your business, and at the same time makes you money when you sell it.
Absolutely. So, Dave, you've been coming around GAWDA for a long time. You and I have gotten to know each other pretty well. Forney, as a company, has been around for almost 100 years at this point. But is there anything that GAWDA distributors might not know about Forney that you kind of wanted to clue them into as we got this opportunity to speak here?
Yes, great. Another great question. The biggest misconception about Forney is people think of us as to our heritage. We came out of the farm, ranch, automotive industry, aftermarket industries, but we are a very much a player in welding products, welding supplies for the independent welding distributor. We're now in our 10th year as our Industrial Pro division of Forney, and we continue to grow with independent welding distribution. We'd love to partner with you.
Absolutely. So on that note, when people see this video and they're excited to partner with you, excited about those new products that you've got to offer, who's the person they should be contacting? Is it you? Is it somebody else in the sales department?
Well, you can always give me a call, and or you can contact us at our Industrial Pro customer service. To me, the easiest way would be Industrial Pro at ForneyIND.com, or you can give me a call direct, and we're in the buyer's guide for GAWDA, and would love to hear from you.
Absolutely. I love that. So last question for you here, Dave. We're about halfway through the 2025. For the rest of 2025, what are you jacked up about? What are you really excited about?
Well, first of all, is again continuing to expand our distribution footprint. The first quarter was outstanding. We're sitting here poised to grow with our distributor partners. Like I said earlier, we've got inventory, and we're looking for new partners to help us grow both of our businesses.
Absolutely. Well, Dave, thank you so much. We're really excited to see those new products that you got in the pipeline, and we appreciate you joining us today.
Excellent. Thank you.
Awesome.